Hello, Roy.RealEstate here tonight. We're in the kitchen and we're going to make a new family favorite in our family. I call it Sopadelicious. There's some argument about what it's actually called. Sort of like a sopapilla, but way better. So you start with a tortilla, not a pancake, butter, honey, and cinnamon. So let's get watching my son Michael make one. Okay, so Michael's going to get us started here. Use a cast iron skillet.
Dollop of butter.
A big dollop of butter. He'll melt that. While he's melting that, he's going to kind of cube up his tortilla for us. Okay, and you cut the tortilla up into the butter, and then as you're melting it, you get it all hot, kind of stir it up to get your tortilla mixed in and coated with butter and moderately done. Okay, and this is one of the other parts there's disagreement in the family. Some people like to get it a little more done, some a little less done. Then you put your honey in it. As you can see, that was a good bit of honey in there. And then you keep stirring it. It's browning, cooking all the time as you're doing all of this. Then cinnamon, and cinnamon's just like a garnish, so there's not a ton of it. Stir that all in. Get it all melted together.
Let it simmer a minute.
Yep, let it simmer. Oh, if you could smell what I'm smelling, you would know how good this is going to be. So you cook it for a little while. You can see how the butter and honey and cinnamon are all cooking together. It's just about ready to take off now.
Ready?
Take it off, put it on a plate. It is very hot, so you want it to sit a few minutes. And then, this should be enough for 2 or 3 people to share, but for a 17-year-old boy, usually it's about 1 serving. So your mileage may vary. Anyway, it is, just absolutely amazing. You can't imagine how good it is, so try it yourself at home.